How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I want to bring to your attention a stock that I started to look at, and someone that's in our Patreon brought it to my attention. Now, this company, I'm still doing a lot more research on, so I'm not buying it at this point, but it is interesting. It's actually one of ARK's top holdings in one of their ETFs, and they have deals with Stryker. So I just want to show you a little bit on the company, and if it's interesting to you, you can do some more research and figure out if it's one that you want to buy. So the company is called Conformis. It's a $1.74 stock. It's up about 12% here today. And the market cap is about 1/3 of $1 billion, so 325 million. Now, ARK Invest owns it right now, and they've actually owned it several times. So you can see that they've actually bought it, sold it, bought it, sold it, bought it, sold it, and now they're buying again. And if we look in their ETF here, it's actually right here. It's their fifth top holding in their 3D printing ETF. They own about $22 million worth of it right now. Now, what does this company actually do? Well, they actually are in knee and hip replacements. You can see it manufactures and sells patent-specific customized joint replacement implants. I have to do more research because I couldn't tell you exactly what makes them better than a different company, but I will give you some anecdotal evidence here. Stryker is working with them, and actually they have a pretty good article here on them. If you want to look it up, just look up Conformis Seeking Alpha, and I'm sure they will come up here. Conformis has already sold 125,000 knee implants worldwide, and most of these are total knee implants. We can read through it more here, and this is a really good article on it. Also, you can see there was an FDA problem with their manufacturing practices, but they did fix them. Total revenue of $56 million this last quarter, which is a significant increase, but they had product revenue of 15.2, licensing revenue of 41.1 million, including a non-reoccurring payment of 25 million from Stryker. So they are actually working with Stryker, which is a pretty big deal because Stryker is one of the top companies in the world for this kind of stuff. In addition to that, we do have some pretty good satisfaction. So this was a clinically researched article, and they found that 90% of these Conformis patients with their iTotal PS implants were satisfied. Now compare this to the typical satisfaction rate, and it's usually about 80%. So it is higher. Now, of course, like I said, I'm not an expert in this field at all. Right now, I am not buying it. I feel like I need to do more research, and it is up about 12% here today. Over the last month, it is up about 30%. So just something to pay attention to. If we see a dip, maybe it will be a good time to buy in. Again, I need to do more research before I feel comfortable with it, but I did want to bring it to your attention in case you were looking for a penny stock that's got some good momentum, something that ARK Invest owns. And when you look at the overall market for these types of products, it's only going to get higher. It's only going to become a bigger market as the baby boomers get older. So it is an interesting stock. So definitely put it on your radar. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.